Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. Today, of course, I got the box on my side. Today we got somewhat of a slight unboxing, somewhat of a sleeper unboxing in my opinion. I actually got this shoe in about a week and a half, 2 weeks early. And in my opinion, it is still one of the best affordable sneakers out there at $110. Now listen, I already opened up the box. I'm gonna go ahead and let the montage roll for y'all. We'll be right back.
Feel like I'm stuck, cause I'ma get it in every time, everywhere. Feeling crazy cause I went and bought a new one.
Oh hey, welcome back. So yes, as you guys saw, we did get a pack in from PUMA. Shouts out to them for actually sponsoring the video. I appreciate them as always. But this shoe right here, as you guys seen it, is called the RSX Cubed. No, it is not the RSX 3, it is the RSX Cube, which made me actually look and see if there was an RSX 2, and no, they weren't. They just hopped straight to the Cube joints. Now, of course, it does still come with your regular green and white PUMA box. Now, this is the puzzle pair of the RSX Cubed, and I did get mine in a size 12. I will say, as far as fitting goes, it still fits like the original RSX, and in my opinion, it fits a little snug. I do have a wider foot though, so if I could, I would go ahead and grab a 12 and a half, but since I can't, I just stick with the 12. The 13 is just, I'd rather it be a little snug than be a bigger yacht gang sneaker on my foot. Matter of fact, where's my, yes, the choir stand is coming back. Now going ahead and hopping into the box, they did include a nice little note right here. If I pop this open, hey Christian, welcome to the new dimension RSX Cubed at PUMA Sports Style. Thanks team. So salutes to PUMA as always for the look. Now let's go ahead and get into the actual sneaker, and it should look very familiar to you guys. Now this colorway is the puzzle colorway, and it is dropping on November 21st. Like I said, I did get this one in a little bit early. Now as I was saying, these do look similar to the original RSX, but I actually like that fact because I love the original RSX. I thought it was one of the best affordable cozy sneakers out there, and I feel like with this shoe right here, they're just kind of continuing that. Now as far as the uppers go on these, you get a lot of new materials. On the upper you get mesh, you have a flock, you have suede, you have leather, you have mesh, as well as a reflective material on the upper. So that's about 4 or 5 materials just on the upper of this shoe. Another reason I like it, because there's tons of layers. There's a lot of ways you can do different colorways. Another colorway that's out right now that I really like is the, it's on my computer, but this almost Buzz Lightyear kind of pair with this orange on it, purple, green, white. I honestly really like that colorway. It's kind of different, it's pretty unique. And that's just another good example of a colorway that could be done. I know they're gonna be doing collabs on the shoe. It's probably a lot down the line, a lot down the pipeline that's already been planned for this new shoe. Now again, these retail at $110. One blue bill and some change get you these, which in my opinion is a really good deal for one of the best cozy sneaks out right now. And I guess for this colorway that's about to be coming out right now. Now just to go ahead and kind of give you a side-by-side comparison of the RSX Cubed and the original one, I am gonna go ahead and reach back here and grab one of my favorite collabs on the original model, which is the Adder Era RSX. Now remember, this is a collab sneaker versus a special colorway, so there are gonna be some weird stuff on this Adder Era pair as far as materials, little things go on it, so just keep that in mind. But overall shape and different things, it retains most of the details from the original. Now side by side, you guys can kind of see where things have been switched up. The toe panel, the whole upper has definitely been updated. Now as far as this midsole and outsole goes on the new RSX Cubed, apparently it's the same RS compound, but they have updated it a bit. Now when I had these joints on personally, just testing them out, walking around a little bit, in my opinion, I couldn't really feel a difference between the old pair and the new pair. They felt the same in my opinion, but that's not a bad thing. It's still a comfortable sneaker. Again though, for sizing, I would still say go a half size up. I feel like they fit the exact same as the original, so if you own the original, get that same size in this new pair. Now another little detail that I noticed is that towards the back on this newer version, it is a lower cut sneaker. Now, one thing that I like that they updated on this new one as well is the tongue. Now, on the original RSX, it kind of had a big puffy tongue with this big exaggerated pull tab, and I kind of like that they calmed that down a little bit. In my opinion, it kind of gives the shoe a better overall shape on feet without that big puffy tongue on it. But as you guys can see just from the B-roll of the original and this new version, it's that, you know, they just made sure to tweak it just enough to make it different, update it in some meaningful ways, give it some more panels, give it some more options for materials, and still keep it at 110. Once again, affordable, clean, cozy, and I already can see that this is gonna make the list for spring and summer next year. The RSX has just kind of hit the scene kind of crazy with multiple colorways, multiple collabs. So with the comparison out of the way of the original, I'm gonna go ahead and place those adder errors back down there. All in all, just to go ahead and wrap it up, I mean, I'm still digging the RSX, and I'm definitely digging this new cube model. Now, this one again is the puzzle colorway, and it is dropping on November 21st. But another good colorway, like I said, is that purple, white, green, and orange pair that's actually live right now for, again, retail of 110. Slide bars. And with all that being said, man, that is it. Once again, shouts out to Puma. Appreciate them sponsoring this video. You guys let me know what you think about this new model of the Puma RSX. You guys just heard me give my opinion, so I'm not gonna repeat it. That is it, man. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, blah. Of course, hold on, let me grab both of them. Bullet.RC. And I'm gonna see you guys next video. I need to move the choir stand over a little bit, so let me get some room in here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this bit. A link will be down below if you guys want to check these out. Until next time, man, that is it. That is a wrap. Much love as always. Peace.
One day I'ma make it out, I'ma be the one